May mga nagtatanong na client kung saan ba daw nila ipopost ang business nila, sa profile ba or sa Facebook business page. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang pinagkaiba ng profile at Facebook business page. And pag-uusapan na rin natin ang mga advantages and disadvantages of using profile and Facebook business page para sa business nyo. So, I hope na makatulong itong video na to para magkaroon kayo ng clear na idea sa strategy na gagamitin nyo para sa inyong online business. Hi, this is Babelyn from babelynmalate.com. I make videos that can help grow your online business. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to hit that subscribe button at notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong video uploads natin. Para mas maunawaan natin, gumawa po ako ng chart kung saan ikukumpara natin ang profile at ang Facebook business page. Titingnan natin ang goal, organic reach, people, messaging, analytics, at ads. And disclaimer lang po, ito pong mga advice and tips na binibigay ko po sa inyo is based from my own strategy. So, you have the choice at the end of the day to apply whatever works for you. First, titingnan natin yung goal. So, ang goal ng profile is to connect with friends. Lahat tayo is very familiar sa profile page. Ito yung Facebook account natin na ginawa using our email address. Tapos nag-create tayo ng password. So dito sa profile, makikita natin yung mga friends natin, tsaka yung mga message nila, yung mga post nila. But take note po na Facebook allows us to only have one Facebook profile. So according to its policy, one account per person. It is always better to follow the policy kaysa naman sa ma-discover ni Facebook later on na marami kang accounts and then block na lang ni Facebook yung mga accounts mo. At ang goal naman ng Facebook page is to definitely market to people. So Facebook is expecting na magpo-post tayo ng ating mga products and service sa Facebook business page. And dito, pwede nating i-customize yung page. Pwede tayong maglagay ng profile picture, pwede tayong maglagay ng cover photo, i-fill out yung description, i-optimize syempre yung page, maglagay tayo ng link, pati yung contact information. Meron ding mga tools na hindi available sa profile na nasa page, kagaya ng analytics at pati na rin yung pag-schedule ng mga post. So doon naman sa Facebook business page, multiple people can handle the page, and you can also create multiple pages. So in the future, kung hindi nyo na kayang i-handle yung page nyo, you can actually hire people or VA to take care of the posting there, and also, you know, to answer mga questions and messages from the people. Those people who will eventually take care of your page, hindi nyo na kailangan ibigay sa kanila yung password, hindi nyo rin ibibigay yung mismong account nyo, but you can just give them an admin rights so that they can do their job of posting and doing other things na related dun sa Facebook business page nyo. So, pangalawa naman nating titingnan as yung tinatawag nating na reach. Pag sinabing reach, yun yung inaaabot ni Facebook na audience. So, tinatawag din natin itong traffic or free traffic kung gagawin natin na organic siya. So, organic reach na, free traffic. Pag doon sa profile, usually, pinapaboran niya ni Facebook. And so, pag nag-post ka doon, mas maraming tao ang nakakakita kung ginawa mo siyang public instead of sharing it to friends lang. Mas mataas yung visibility ng post nyo pag nilagay nyo siya doon sa inyong profile. So, kung yung mga friends nyo naman doon sa profile are targeted people, mga clients din, then it's good to post yung product nyo mismo doon sa profile. Pero kung hindi naman, then it's not good to always post your product dun sa mismong profile nyo. Pagdating naman sa organic reach sa Facebook page, usually mababa talaga siya kasi Si Facebook nga, ang purpose niya for the page is for business. So, hini-encourage niya yung mga business owners to pay for ads and to boost post. Hindi niya talaga ipinupush yan sa maraming tao, nililimit niya yan para magbayad ka ng ads and boosting. There are also some strategies on to increase the engagement na makukuha mo sa page. For example, you can make some posting strategies and scheduling. Hanapin mo yung time kung kailan available yung mga tao na tingnan yung post mo. You can also find hashtags and keywords na makakatulong i-optimize yung mga post mo sa Facebook page. And now, pag-usapan naman natin yung people, yung mga tao. Yung mga tao sa profile natin are usually our friends. Facebook, bibigyan tayo niya ng 5,000 friends sa ating profile. But do remember that since it is in the profile, most of these people are not our buyers, are not our clients, but rather they are our friends. Yun naman mga tao sa Facebook page natin, sila yung mga nag-likes and nag-follows. So wala tayong friends sa ating Facebook page, but we call them followers. So yung mga followers, wala po siyang limitation dyan. Kagaya ng profile na may limit na 5,000, doon sa page, walang limit po ang followers. Kung titingnan nyo, pag nag-ads kayo, for example, time, and then marami kayong nakuhang engagement, maraming taong nag-follow, there is a tendency and possibility na tataas, even ma-max out na natin yung 5,000 na friends, pwede pa kasi pwede lang i-follow yung page mo. And another good thing about having the page is that once people like and follow that page, it means that they really like what you're posting there. Again, it could be your product or service that they like, and it means na targeted na po yung mga tao na nagfa-follow doon. It's not like when, you friend someone on the profile, again, you're not sure whether they'll be interested on your product or service. Messaging sa profile, okay na okay yan kasi you have the direct contact with those people. You can message them anytime, pwede nyong padalhan sila ng link anytime, ng mga promotional things anytime. But then, kahit walang restrictions si Facebook, you have to consider yung tao na pinapadalhan nyo. Ang problema naman yan is kung ayaw naman ng tao na pinapadalhan mo siya ng mga ganong bagay kahit na friends mo siya. So, be cautious sending messages sa mga tao kahit na friend mo na sila. Hindi mo naman talaga friend as in close friend yung mga yun. Tapos pinadalhan ng mga info at mga landing pages na link, affiliate link. It's not a good practice. Pagdating naman sa messaging with the Facebook page, hindi natin pwedeng i-message yung mga followers natin, but rather yung mga followers mismo ang magbe-message sa page natin kung interested sila sa isang bagay or kung meron man silang gustong itanong. So dito na ngayon pumapasok yung messenger marketing. Kung matagal na kayo sa page ko, alam nyo marami akong mga videos about ManyChat. It's an example of a messenger tool. You can watch those videos. And with the help of the messenger, may sasagot immediately sa mga inquiries ng mga tao na pupunta sa page nyo. Alright, puntahan naman natin yung susunod. So pagdating sa analytics, yes, this is the drawback of the profile. Kasi wala po tayong makikita talagang analytics doon. Wala tayong pagpabasihan ng data. So wala tayong ma-analyze there in the profile. Pagdating naman doon sa ating Facebook business page, meron po tayong tinatawag na analytics. Yung section na yan ay napaka-importante to check yung behavior ng ating audience, to check what time sila usually tumitingin ng mga post natin para ma-strategize natin kung kailan tayo magpo-post. So, may data tayo. So, number doesn't lie. And it's always nice to to check if there's something that we can measure. Because kung measurable siya, meaning mayroon tayong chance na i-improve or i-check yung mga areas na kailangan nating baguhin or kailangan nating ituloy. So, data is important when it comes to marketing. Next na nga yung tinatawag natin na ads. Sa profile po, hindi talaga tayo pwedeng mag-run ng ads dyan kasi hindi siya for business. And this is the good thing about the Facebook business page kasi pwede kayong gumawa ng ads using that page with an ad account. So, pwede nyong ma-reach yung mga targeted audience nyo talaga. So, nagma-market research kayo, tapos tinignan nyo kung sino yung mga target client nyo, target customers nyo. You can reach, mga millions of people based on the data of Facebook using their ads. And pag sinabi naman nating ads, it doesn't mean na once nag-run na kayo, yung ginastos nyo is makukuha nyo kaagad. It's not just a one-time ad kasi kahit nga yung mga veterano na, veterans na sa pag-ads, hindi lang isang beses mag-run ng ads. Yung iba kasi nagko-complain,
nag-run na ako ng ads, bakit wala akong nakuha? Walang conversion, walang client, walang engagement, yung mga ganong bagay.
So, hindi lang siya ganun kasi may mga problems or areas na kailangan i-check doon. But then, the goal is that you can really reach people with the ads, millions of people. There's no doubt about that. But it's not a one-time thing. It's a trial and error, practice. So you have to check, kung ano yung mag-work sa'yo later on when it comes to Facebook ads. So, hindi ko na siya i-explain. Ang point ko lang dito is that if you have a Facebook page, then you can run ads. And also, you can boost post. So, ngayon siguro nagtatanong ka na, so ano nga ba talaga ang bagay sa akin? Saan ko ba talaga ipopost yung mga business ko? Sa profile ba o sa Facebook business page? My advice is that kung nagsisimula ka pa lang at wala ka pang alam sa social media, you can start with your profile. Sa profile nyo, tandaan nyo ng mga friends nyo yan, not necessarily buyers, but you can post your product, not necessarily, every day or time to time. Baka kasi magsawa yung mga nakakakita ng post mo, yung mga friends mo, and then later on, snooze ka na nila. So, once in a while, yes, you can post your product doon sa inyong mismong profile. We know as a business owner, you don't have time to learn marketing on your own. Why not let professionals do it for you? Our team is here to help you level up your business with complete line digital marketing solutions. We can help you create your online store or e-commerce website, chatbot sales and marketing assistant, social media management, copywriting services, and website maintenance services. Just go to our website, find services section, then inquire and book a call. Our team can help your business grow. If it's really a business that you want to push through in a long run, I highly recommend na magkaroon kayo ng Facebook business page nyo because in the long run, you're not just expecting 5,000 people to be your followers or friends, right? You wanted that to grow
and grow and grow. So, walang limitation po dun sa Facebook page. And you can always bring them
to your chatbot kung nasa Facebook page po kayo. Kasi si chatbot, hindi nyo siya pwedeng ilagay sa profile nyo. So, pwede nyo rin siyang isend sa inyong email marketing kung nasa page. Pwede nyo rin siyang isend sa inyo pong website kung meron nga kayong page. Kung titingnan nyo nga yung mga matatagal na sa business, meron talaga silang separate na Facebook business page and it's really for business. From time to time, nagra-run sila ng ads to create an awareness. For example na lang, you guys are familiar with this pizza, no? Greenwich, Greenwich Pizza. Palagi po silang nag-ads. So, every month po yata. So, kilala na sila, pero nag-ads pa rin sila. So, nagagawa po nila yan dahil may page sila. Kung mag-grow man po yung business nyo in the future at gusto nyo ipa-handle na po yan sa ibang tao na hindi na kayo mismo ang gumagawa ng lahat, hindi na kayo yung nagpo-post, but rather you can give it to other people to create posts for you, you want to give it to other people to make ads for you, then it is fitting po na talagang gumawa kayo ng Facebook page. At kung meron po kayong mga comments and questions, please leave it in our description and I'll try my best to get back to you. Alright, I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope na nakatulong tong mga tips and information na binigay ko sa inyo, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!